Hello traders, in this video I will show you how you can install the Positionsizer EA for Metatrader. I will show you this by installing it on Metatrader 4, and the process will be the same for Metatrader 5. So I have Metatrader 4 open here, and here I have the files that you get when you download the Expert Advisor. So there are two folders, one for Metatrader 4 and one for Metatrader 5. So let's have a look at them. You have a folder that contains the expert, and we just click through. So it looked like this, and there's a folder for the templates, and the folder structure is exactly the same as the structure that is on your computer for Metatrader. So let's have a quick look at the Metatrader 5 setup. It's exactly the same here. You have the Positionsizer, and here we go into profiles, templates, then here you have a template that you can use. So this is on my computer. I have Metatrader for FX Open installed, and I'm running it on Linux, so the path is slightly different for me than maybe for other people, but you have to look for the program files folder. Let me see if I can, yeah, I can do like this. So for me it's on the C drive, then you go to program files and then Metatrader ECN FX Open. So in there you have the MQL4 folder. If you have Metatrader 5, it will be MQL5. So what we simply do is just open the MQL4 on the Positionsizer folder that you downloaded, go to the experts, and then just simply copy the Positionsizer folder from here. So I'm just going to do a copy, go here, then I go into MQL4 experts, and then I'll just paste it in here. So that's the advisor. If you want to use the templates that I provide, then let's copy them as well. So the templates are right here. So here I have some templates. Let's get the template from the downloads. So MQL4 templates. I'm just going to copy the file, Positionsizer template, and just gonna paste it in here. Okay, once you've done that, you need to restart. You can close this, by the way, because you're done here. Then you need to restart the Metatrader in order for the expert advisors to show up. So let's do that. Just gonna close this and open it up again. So let me move it over from my other screen. There it is. And now here you can see there's the Positionsizer. If you move it over now to the chart, it will not work because you need to compile the Positionsizer file first. So you can do that by opening it in the meta editor. So you just right click and then open that up, and then it opens it up, the code in the Metatrader of the meta editor it's called, and the only thing you need to do is compile, press compile here. So just press compile. Let's see if everything compiles correctly. Yes. So once that is done, you can close this screen again, and now it's compiled and you can move it to the chart. So once you move it to the chart, you get all the options. You can leave them as is, or you can go through them and change some things. Let me just click through all the screens. You have to allow live trading here. That's important. And just leave everything checked as it is, and do OK. And there you go. it's installed. Make sure that the auto trading option is on. So if it's off, the expert advice will not work. No orders will be placed, so you need to have this on. So let's look at the templates. Actually the template here is already loaded, but let's say we open a new screen, a new chart window. It will look like this. So I've provided the template. So if you go here, right click, and you go to templates, then here you will see the Positionsizer template that you placed into the template folder. So if you click here, then it will open up the chart as black and white with the Positionsizer attached already. So then you're ready to go. So I hope you find this useful. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. You will also find this video as part of the installation instruction in the Positionsizer EA once you download it, so you can refer to it as well. So thanks for watching and see you next time. Oh, and by the way, of course, if you want to get the Positionsizer EA, you can get it for free on my Gumroad, so please check that out as well and download it from there. See ya.